Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add images to Weebly. If you're building or updating your website, knowing how to properly insert images is essential for creating a visually appealing and professional-looking site. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Weebly homepage where you can manage all your websites and projects on your homepage. Direct your attention to the left side menu. Here you'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it to expand your options. Underneath, you'll find Edit Site, so go ahead and click that. This action will display all the websites you've created with Weebly, allowing you to select which one you'd like to work on. Choose the website you want to edit from the list presented. Once you've selected it, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll see an Edit button. Click this button to enter the editor page for your chosen website. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll be able to customize and add content to your site. Now that you're on the editor page, take a look at the top menu. Make sure you're on the Build tab. This tab is your main workspace for adding and arranging elements on your website, so it's important to confirm you're in the right place before proceeding. Next, focus on the left side menu where you'll find various elements you can add to your site. Scroll through until you locate the image element. This is the tool you'll use to insert photos into your website design. Adding the image is incredibly simple. Just click on the image element and drag it directly onto your website where you'd like it to appear. You can position it anywhere on the page, and Weebly will guide you with visual indicators showing where the image will be placed. Once you've dragged the image element onto your page, click on it. A menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, select Upload a photo from your computer. This will open your file browser, allowing you to navigate to the location where your desired image is saved. Choose the image file you want to upload and confirm your selection. And there you have it. Your image is now successfully added to your Weebly website and will appear exactly where you placed it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.